Hi, welcome to Performance Unlimited. Today for the dyno stand we have our 383 350 horsepower engine combination. We'll go over a little bit about the build specs on this specific design. We start off with a late model 350 block. Do the Eagle 383 stroke rotating assembly. We have comp cams custom grinded some nice hydraulic roller camshaft for it. On the top end we're using the Edelbrock E Street aluminum cylinder heads with the Performer RPM intake. And this model features the MSD Atomic EFI, which is a really nice running piece. This would be perfect for any of your street rods, your off-roaders, looking for that mild performance with a whole lot of torque. The 383 definitely will put it there. I think previous runs worked flat all the way across the power band, which is really sweet. And it looks like we topped off about 380 horsepower. If you're interested in this specific engine package or any one of our other ones, feel free to visit us online at performanceunlimited.com or give us a call at 800-267-3940. Let's take you over to the dyno run.